Okay, thank you students for coming over here for another class today. So I am going to take a very next type of problem here. It is called a least cost method. That's what I'm going to define you. So again, I am very happy to invite you for this Google class. So in this class, we are going to discuss about the second model in transportation problem, that is least cost method. Okay, least cost method. As I already know that I already explained to you. As I already explained to you, these are the production centers. These are the destinations. Okay, so three production centers, three destinations. The total amount of the production is 40, and also the total demand is also 40. So it is a balanced problem. How to solve this by least cost method? That is what we are going to see today, least cost method. Okay, so in the previous method, that is what in the NWCR method, we are giving importance for only for the northwest corner cell. Okay, but here not like that. We are giving importance for the least cost in the given matrix. Okay, look at that in the given matrix. This is a given matrix, transportation matrix. Among these, which is the least cost? There are three places out there. This one place, this another place, this another place. Okay, these are the three least cost transportation cost cell. So we can assign here or here or here. In any places we can assign, but the condition is that the minimum among availability and the demand, minimum among availability and demand, that's what we have to assign there. Now I take this particular cell for assignment. Okay, and this particular cell for assignment, because that is the least cost. So the least among the availability and the demand is 5. So I am assigning 5 to go from here to here. Okay, from going from the first production center to the second second selling centers. So if I do so, what I will get here, 5 is met. Am I correct? Because in this particular second destination is met. So no need of more hereafter. Am I correct? But what take place in the first destination? 10 items are produced, so 5 only we have given. Remaining 5 would be there. Okay, right. Now among the next least cost cell, among the next matrices, which is the least cost cell? This is the least cost cell. Am I correct? Because 1 rupees per item to transport from here to here. So how to assign this? As I already told you, that minimum among availability and demand. So demand is minimum, so you are assigning 5 to go from here to here. So if 5 goes out, it will have only 5. But what takes place here? At the first destination, only 5 units needed. That it is got from the second production center. Therefore, its demand also met. Okay. Now look at the remaining left out cells here. This one, this one, this one. Among these, which is the least cost cell? The 2 rupees are 2 rupees only. So we can assign whichever we want. Okay, right. So I am taking this one. So how to assign minimum among availability and demand. So minimum is what? 5. So 5 I am writing here. So now what take place? 5 I am writing here, that is 5 is available from the second resource. From the 5 I am giving to the last destination center. Therefore the availability is over here. 5 we have given here, therefore availability is over. Now look at this. These two cells are left out. Among this, which is the least cost cell? I told you that each and every time we have to give importance for the least cost cell only. So among them, 5 rupees, 2 rupees, this is the least cost. Am I correct? So before that, now 5 units are given there and it is given there. Am I correct? Therefore, remaining how much is needed here? Only 25 is needed. Am I correct? Because 5 units given from second um, production center to the last destination. So remaining here 25 only in demand. Okay, right. So among this, which is the least cost cell? This is the least cost cell. Okay, so which is the minimum among the availability and the demand? The availability 20. So we cannot give 25. So 20 we can give. If we give 20 here, so it is over. Availability is over. Okay, but here since 20 it got here, the remainder 5 only is needed. Where? 5 only is needed where? In the last destinations. Okay, right. But now look at that. 5 is available from the first resource center. Am I correct? So just we can exchange. Get from the first resource center, give it to the last destination. Okay, take 5 from the first destination. Okay, and give it to the last destination here. Now what take place? The total availability is over here and here the total demand is met. Now check whether the total availability transported to the total destinations by adding up all these transported item. Am I correct? 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 20, 40. So 40 items, the total 40 items availability is transported to the destinations. So tallies. Okay. So this is the way we can do the least cost method. Okay. Once you transport it like that, then we have to identify. So from the first source to the second destination, 5 units should be transported. From the first resource to the last destination, I mean nth destination, how much? 5 items should be transported. From second production center to the first destination, how much? The 5 can be transported. And from second resource center to the last destination, I mean M, we can transport 5 units. And from last one, from here T production center to the uh, last destination, how much can be transported? 20 can be transported. Okay, so if we add all of them, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 20, 40. So tally, semi-correct. So this is the way we have to transport the item produced from the 3 resources DCT to the destination centers ASM. Okay, but okay, we have found out how much we have to transport from to. Okay, but what is the total cost? That is also very important. Am I correct? See here in this particular cell, 5 items are transported from here to here at the cost of 1 rupees per item. And look at this one, 5 items are transported from here to here at the cost of 5 rupees. So if I multiply this and this, I will get the total cost of transporting 5 items from here to here at the rate of 5. Okay, like that, multiply this and this, 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 add, you will get the total cost. Okay, So the total cost can be calculated like this: minimum z equals minimum z equals 5 into 1 5 plus 5 into 5 25, and then from 5 to 1 5, then 5 into 2 10, and last one 20 into 2 40. That's all. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, what's the total cost now? We have to add all of them. Let me calculate. 40 plus 10 50, 50 50 plus 10 60, 60 plus 25 85. So 85 is the minimum total cost to transport all the 40 items from this production center to these destinations. Okay, so this is the way we can find the solution for the transportation problem by so-called least cost method. So in this least cost method, each and every time we are giving importance for the least cost cell, then we are assigning. Okay, so with that we have to come to the end of this program. Thank you.